Assalamu alaikum students, this is Priya 1. Now we start our oral. Now take out your pre-primary book, PB book, and open page number 1. Question number 2. What is taus? A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Now recite with me. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. Question number 3. What is tasmiya? Recite Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Now recite with me. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Now question number 1. Who are we? We are Muslims. Now open page number 3. Dua for knowledge. Raise your hand for dua. Now recite Rabbi Zidni Ilma. ए मेरे रब मेरे इल्म में इजाफा फरमा. आमीन. Okay, now we recite Dua after sneeze. What do we say when we sneeze? What do we say when we sneeze? Alhamdulillah. What do we say when we sneeze? Now recite Alhamdulillah. Again Alhamdulillah. Now open page number 5. Now recite पहला कलमा. अब तो आप सबको याद हो गया होगा पहला कलमा. सब टीचर के साथ साथ पढ़ेंगे. पहला कलमा तैयब. तैयब माने पाक. ला इलाहा इल्लल्लाहु मुहम्मदुर रसूलुल्लाह. Now open page number 9. Myself. Question number 1. What is your name? My name is, for example, Abdul Rafi. इसमें आप सब अपना नेम कॉल करेंगे. ओके जब भी आपसे कोई पूछेगा व्हाट इज़ योर नेम, तो आपने सिर्फ ये नहीं कहना राफी जैनब. नो, आपने कंप्लीट अप्लाई करना है. माई नेम इज जैनब बानो. ओके नाउ कम डाउन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. हाउ ओल्ड आर यू? हाउ ओल्ड आर यू का मतलब क्या है? आप कितने साल के हैं. ठीक है, जब भी आपसे कुछ कोई पूछेगा तो आप बताएंगे आई एम 4 years old, या फिर अगर आप 3 years के हैं तो आई एम 3 years old. ओके टेक आउट योर वर्कबुक एंड ओपन पेज नंबर 25. Today we trace again curved lines. How we trace curved line? First we hold the pencil like this. Now we start tracing from starting arrow. Look here, there are little arrow. We start tracing from this side, not that side. Okay, now put the pencil from starting dot, then trace left to right. Trace slowly, slowly. We match the same shape. Look, this shape is round, and we come here. This shape is also round. And which color is this? Red. Which color is this? Red. Now come down. We trace this line also. Put the pencil from starting dot, then trace left to right. Oh, what is this? Pizza. What is this? Pizza. I like pizza. Do you like pizza? Okay, now come third line. We trace this line also. Trace slowly, slowly. What is this? Watermelon. What is this? Watermelon. Okay. On this page we trace a curved line and we learn 3 vocabs also. Ball, pizza, watermelon. Okay. आप इसी तरह से इन 3 लाइन्स की ट्रेसिंग करेंगे और पेज को कंप्लीट करेंगे. Now we have an activity time. Today I have a new activity for you. This activity is called button activity. Now we trace curved line by buttons. But right now I don't have a buttons, so I use these different colors balls. Did you see here? Yes, I use these buttons. The main purpose of this activity is for our pencil gripping. When we hold the buttons and place the button from these lines, this improve our pencil grips. Okay, I start my activity. First you watch me, then you will try at your home. Now I use any color of circle like this. Now put the circle from this line. Yes, slowly we trace a curved line. Now trace the line. Now I complete my first line. I trace curved line by these circles. इसी तरह से आप सेकंड लाइन को ट्रेस करेंगे. Okay, like this. Oops, now trace in the line. देखिए इसमें हमारी आईज और हैंड्स दोनों कोऑर्डिनेट कर रहे हैं. देन हम बटन्स को ग्रिप कर रहे हैं जिस तरह से हम पेंसिल्स को ग्रिप करते हैं. ओके, like this. Now I complete. Okay, I hope you enjoy this video, this activity, and you will try this activity at your home, and you can use any type of small circles like coins, like buttons, and if you don't have a buttons and coins, so you can use any color of card sheets and make a circles and cut them and try this activity at your home. Okay, Allah Hafiz. After written work, it's rhyme time. Okay, today we sing a new rhyme. Are you ready, children? Okay, today we sing a new rhyme. It's a Rolly Polly. Okay, ready? Rolly Polly, up, up, up. Rolly Polly, down, down, down. Rolly Polly, in, in. Rolly Polly, out, out, out. Okay, again we sing this rhyme. Rolly Polly, up, up, up. Rolly Polly, down, down, down. Rolly Polly, in, in. Rolly Polly, out, out, out.